Model a perforated plate in FreeCAD. Make the Part Design workbench active. Then create a new sketch. Select the plane you want to sketch on. Click the arrow and select Centered Rectangle. Click on the origin and drag the mouse. Enter the first distance and press Enter. Then do the same for the other dimension. The sketch is already fully defined now. Click Close to exit it. Now select Pad to extrude the rectangle. Enter a distance and select Reversed. Click OK to apply. Click the eye icon to show the origin planes. Create a new sketch on the same plane. Sometimes you have to click the plane again. Hide the planes with the eye icon. Select the Circle tool. Click and drag the mouse. Enter a diameter and press Enter. Click the eye icon here, next to Pad. Sketch lines are better visible now. Sometimes, you accidentally click again. Right-click twice to cancel and exit the tool action. Select the Dimension tool. And click the center point of the circle. Drag the mouse and enter a dimension. Do the same for this vertical dimension. Select the Circle tool. And draw 3 more circles. Click on all circles. Make them equal. Select these 2 center points. Click this button to make them horizontal. Do the same for the lower circles. Select the Dimension tool. And click these 2 center points. Click and enter a dimension. Do the same for the lower circles. Now click these 2 center points. And enter the dimension divided by 2. This vertical distance should also be 15 millimeters. It's all green, so you can exit. Show the plate again. Select the circle sketch and click on Pocket. Consider subscribing if you like my content, thanks. Select Through All and click on OK. Select the pocket you just created. Then create a multi-transform. Right-click here and add a linear pattern. Change Mode to Offset. Enter an offset distance. Enter 7 occurrences. Right-click here again. and add another linear pattern. Now choose the vertical sketch axis. Also reverse the direction. Change mode to offset again. Enter an offset distance. Enter 4 occurrences. Click OK twice to apply. The pattern is centered. Select the 4 corners while holding Ctrl and click on the Fillet tool. Enter a radius and click OK. Now it's time to measure the finished model. Select the Measure tool. Select the circle perimeter and the outer side edge. All distances are visible now. Click on Reset to clear all dimensions. Now measure the other side. You see it's the same. Click on Reset and Close to exit the tool. I hope you enjoyed the video. You might want to check out my 3D printing channel for more tutorials and projects. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.